Today we're going to be making sodium phosphate dibasic. This can be combined with monobasic sodium phosphate, which you could watch in another video, and to make regular PBS. So first what you want to do is look at the molecular weight of the sodium phosphate that you grab. So in this case it's 142 grams per mole, and you want to look in the book that's provided to see how much you need to weigh out. So in this case, with 142 grams, it's 28.39. I did not accurately measure it, but it was, oh, there we go. It's supposed to be 28.39 grams. It was a little bit messy of a measurement. If you have a more efficient way of measuring it out, let me know in the comments down below. So next step is going to be shown next. Now that we've put our chemical, our dibasic, into the beaker, we now want to measure out about 800 mLs of DI water, and then pour it and mix it, put it back into the beaker, and then QS it to 1000 milliliters or 1 liter. And you want to do 800 just to be on the safe side, because obviously when you put the dibasic anhydrous with the water back into the beaker, into the graduated cylinder, it's obviously going to be more than what you have. So you want to put less to make it exactly 1000 in the end. So once you mix it evenly, you're going to put it back in the beaker as mentioned before and QS to 1000 milliliters. There you have it. Eye level. Bam. Cool. So once you do that, you're going to pour it in a storage container. Let's see if we can do this. Yay. Okay. Yay. Cool. So once you do that, put the lid on. You can parafilm it so then it reduces the contamination, and then label it as always with your name, the concentration, and the date. And then you can watch our next video on how to make 0.2 molar of monobasic. And this one I was going to use, but unfortunately it has been contaminated with what I think are spores, but I could be wrong. I will let you know what they are after taking microbiology this semester, but if you know what they are, let me know in the comments down below those things. Yes, okay, so catch me in the next vid for making this. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.